Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize the lock screen clock on iPhone. Now, in order for us to do that, I want you to head over here, click or scroll down from here, and as you can see, this is how my clock is currently looking. We're going to go ahead and long press anywhere, and then click the customize button down below. And then from here, you can go ahead and click on the clock, and you can then go ahead and start making changes. So you can go ahead and use the slider around here in order for you to choose how thick you want it to be. You can choose like different kind of fonts in here. So I want you to go ahead and choose something that is within your mood. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the first one. And then for the color, I'm gonna use white, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use solid or make it solid this time, for example. And yeah, once you're done with that, just go ahead and tap anywhere, and then you can go ahead and click done, and you should be good to go. So that's how we are going to customize the lock screen clock here on our iPhone.